Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will explain in details how you can sign up on EARNERSPAY and what you are going to learn if you get a course called Affiliate Marketing for Beginners. If you want to start affiliate marketing or you don't have any experience about affiliate marketing, you don't have experience on how to sell or how to promote a product, this course is for you. On EARNERSPAY, you are going to have access to Affiliate Marketing for Beginners. In this Affiliate Marketing for Beginner course, what you will learn on EARNERSPAY Affiliate Market for Beginners: 1. How to create and set up your affiliate account for free. 2. How to find a hot product to sell as an affiliate. 3. How to sell using WhatsApp sales funnel to convert interested people to buyer. And 4. Organic traffic using faceless marketing. And 5. How to get hot buying customer from TikTok, Facebook, Instagram and pay with paid ads. 6. How to create offers to make people buy the product you sell easily. 7. How to create offers to make people buy the product you sell easily. I think I've repeated it. Okay. 8. How to get people to buy using follow-up and lead nurturing. And 9. How to make your first $100 as an affiliate. And also you will get a certificate of completion, active community and lots more. You are going to have access to a mentorship group where you'll be taught different ways you can earn money on affiliate marketing. So right now you need to click on the link. I'm going to click on this link now to show you how you can sign up on this platform. So I've tapped on my link, so you are going to allow it to load. So it's going to take you to the sales page where you can get more details about the course. He said in times like this, when things are so hard, the economy is uncertain. Complete new business, even on undergraduate, are now leveraged on side hustle business called affiliate market to make an extra income from the same. It's just smartphone and internet connection. You just go through it. You see, no be equal money you dey see here o. I only recommend product online and get my own commission under sticker. Keep calling affiliate marketing scam, my dear. At Clement, finally my money don land. Affiliate marketing be doing good. It can only be God. My Sunday blessing has dropped again. Affiliate market pays weekly. Keep funding my baby girl lifetime. Thank you. So can you see testimony? You can just go through it. Just go through it. So this is what you are going. So weekly live session with me to guide you making $100 online affiliate marketing course with get access to all sales templates that have brought me over $500 in commission. Get access to business checklist for which contain a summary of all you need to run business affiliate. You also get access to your own affiliate account dashboard for free, no payment required. Access to a guide on how to make your first 3 sales at affiliate marketing. Access to special report on how to get strangers to buy. So you just go through. There's a lot you are going to learn on this platform, and you are getting all this for just $10,000. Access to affiliate market for beginners course and 15. Access to tech hot products you can start to promote. So these are what you are going to learn in this course. So the normal price is 15,000, but today price is 10,000. So you are going to tap on this order. Okay, let's go through what AMB program is all about. AMB affiliate marketing for beginners, and it is a program created for newbies who are interested in earning an extra income online through affiliate marketing. Composed of over 2 hours of step-by-step training covering every aspect of making money in dollars as an affiliate and the best beginner pro for newbies. The program has everything covered for you. No other program in this market has been so simple and beginner friendly than AMB. What if you have not able to make money as an affiliate marketer getting the AMB? If you are not able to make a dime after 30 days, no hard feelings. Just let me know. I will refund you your full money back. But you must provide me every day that you apply all the step-by-step system review in the program. Bonus, it did not work. And I'm getting everything now for currency. You can purchase the AMB program and it's bonus now for 10,000 just before you get to, as I said, the price will not be here for long as the cost will go back to its normal price of 15,000 anytime soon. So then you come to this place, you tap on order now. So you're going to allow it to load. So now you come to this place. This place is very important. Make sure your name is correct. Make sure your names are correct. Do you understand? Make sure your names are correct and your emails are correct, because you are going to receive a message on your email. So I'm going to use, I have an account here, so let me just use, okay, let me change this to 60 because that is my normal email account, 60. Let me just change this to 39. Okay, 29. Okay, Nigeria, you just write your name, your full name, your email, your phone number, Nigeria. Okay, so then you come to this place, Nigeria. So you choose your country, Nigeria, Ghana, just go through it. You know your, so just go. I'm going to tap on Nigeria. If you are if you are Ghana, you can tap on GAS. So that is for that. Okay, Ghana and Nigeria. So then you tap on make payments. Make payments. So can you see? So you see, affiliate market for beginners, okay, your phone number, your details, then you need to authorize the transaction. So you can see product price is in dollar is $10, amount to be paid is 10,000. Can you see? So you have to confirm your email, everything before you pay. Then you tap on authorize transaction. So then you now wait. So then you can pay with your debit card, you can pay with bank transfer, you can pay with your bank. So I prefer pay with bank transfer. So you tap on I understand, then you tap on continue. So you're going to send this amount to account. Make sure the amount you're going to send is 10,000. So when you send this amount to this account, is going to you're going to receive an email that you have signed up on EARNERSPAY, and you are going to get access to the course. You understand? So make sure you send this money to this account. Send it immediately. Send it immediately. Send the money immediately to that. I don't send more than 10,000. Don't send more than 10. So the account expire 59 minutes 28 seconds. So it's reading. It's reading, just done. So when you send the money, you are going to receive a email that you have get access to become an affiliate marketer on EARNERSPAY, and you're going to have access to the course affiliate marketing beginner. So that is how you can have access to EARNERSPAY. It's very simple. So after doing the transfer, you're going to receive an email, and then you set up your accounts, your passwords, and other details, and then you get access to your course, and then you go through your course. And when you learn everything in the course, make sure you implement it. That is when you get results, because so many people have different information, but they are broke because they have not implement the information and the knowledge they have gotten. So the best thing you can do for yourself after learning stuff, after learning skills, after learning a business, you need to implement everything you have learned about that skills or that business. Do you understand? That is when you can become successful. Do you understand? You get a confirmation. You get a confirmation once we receive your payment. So you transfer the amount to this account. Make sure you don't send more than the 10,000. This amount, pay 10,000. What you see in this place, that is what you are going to send. Don't go and send 10,000. That's not. Can send 10,000, 15. I just send the amount here, exactly amount here. Transfer exactly 10,000 to the bank account here. So then you receive an email. And so if you want to sign up on EARNERSPAY, there's a link in the description below. Click on the link, and then you have access to EARNERSPAY for 10,000. Just 10,000. And also you have access to a free affiliate platform, and also you are going to have a course that is going to train you everything you needed to know about affiliate marketing.